2020 here. So Multiojankatu is the last step is in this residential building. And Multisilta. And once again. Sorry. It's this working memory. Again. Today it is the 14th of October 2020. Here's Multiojankatu is the last step is in this residential building. In Multisilta, one of the suburbs of Tampere, of course, in the Pirkanmaa region of Finland. This one was also built in 1970, even though it doesn't say it here, but we found information. It's only 50 years old this year in 2020, and it was modernized by Otis in early 1993. It has to be early 1993 because the profile doors was changed in late 1992. The serial number is VS2065, and the newer serial is P1068120. Will be inspected in the next year, 2021. And, well, because this is ValmetSchlieren, that's why they chose these buttons in the modernization.
Yeah.
And the machines were also changed by Otis.
Spektiittaakin pitänyt meidän tehdä vaikka.
And the whole interior, except the doors, were replaced.
Yeah.
Also the floor is from early 1993. The floor from 1970.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank
That's
you very much.